5 mother and daughter duos. So we're talking motherhood, we're talking their journey, we're talking what they've passed on from mother to daughter. Mom, do you get used to seeing your daughter on television and doing what she does?
So jy sien die tisie mas flappies.
Yes, of course.
Yes, she's used to it.
So I'm so proud of you for all my daughters. The first one, the second one, and the number 4 is 3, the Vasilia, and number 4, this one.
Always talking
This one,
about
this
number
one.
4 because I'm her favorite.
I know on Mother's Day we always wait for our kids to tell us how amazing we are. This Mother's Day, I'm choosing to say to my kids, thank you for tolerating my crazy, and thank you for just loving me and accepting that even when the struggles were real, you could see I was trying and you appreciated it. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy Mother's Day.
So when I look at this strong, black, single parent who has been through hell and back to raise a daughter, and I'm here today because of her, I can't help but feel very proud of you, mother. Ma ukhulile.
Now I say, God, when He made us, He knew how you can cook, attend to your man, attend to a baby, attend to your work, read your script, clean the house, and think about you all at the same time. So that is what I wanted to instill in them.
I wish, goodness, I want her to get every single thing that her heart desires. You know, you get all those things that you want, even though your taste is very expensive. Seriously, it's hard.